Alright guys, real quick, I spent last hour and a half trying to figure this out myself because no one shows me on YouTube, so I'm going to try and save y'all some time. This is a Sky cpx2, and I just solved an issue of where I took the gun apart, I removed the takedown pin, and the slide would not go forward, so it was stuck on there. And how you fix that is you actually have to pound these little like rivets out the frame, these pins, pound them out, and then get a set of pliers and that little black base plate right here. You have to pull that until it lets go, and it'll slide up into your magazine well, and then you can actually take the entire top of the gun off. So it'll just be the metal in the frame, and it should be a lot easier just to get in that spring and fix it then. But that's how I did it. It still took me about 5-10 minutes once I got it off, but hopefully that saves y'all all a little bit of time. And all it is see if I can't get the camera in there, is the spring rod was catching on something in there and I couldn't access it. So hopefully this saves y'all a little bit of time. Y'all have a good day.